Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my conversions kit review. I'm here inside the members area or the cloud-based members area, and today I'm going to give you a full overview in a demo. I'm also going to show you what the prices in upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of my conversions kit. Now, in a nutshell, my conversions kit is 13 in 1 conversions tools. These tools are going to help you boost your conversions, whatever you are promoting: affiliate offer, bonus page, review page, Shopify store. You can add these tools to your website and they will boost your conversions through the roof. So every marketer out there needs these tools. If you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. But if you would like to pick up my conversions kit anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, and then you can scroll down and click on one of these blue buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of my conversions kit. Now you have to do this once this goes live, which is on the 1st of August at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and you'll be able to go to the sales page using these buttons and pick up your copy or your copy of my conversions kit. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses. These are custom made by me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind that if you want to access all these bonuses free of charge and instantly once you pick up my conversions kit, you want to pick it up via my link. Now, my first bonus is going to be access to reseller rights to everything. I'm going to give you access to reseller rights to over 15 products. If you know Brendan Mays, I'm pretty sure if you are in the internet marketing niche, you know who Brendan Mays is. He's the top affiliate on Warrior Plus. He's a multi-millionaire. He has sold these products. These products are his, and I'm going to give you 100% commissions on all of these products. These products did over 50,000 sales in total. So he made a lot of money, like millions of dollars from these products. And I'm just gonna give you 100% commissions on all of these products. Of course, I asked Brandon for permission and he said I can do that. So basically, I'm just gonna give them to you as my first bonus. These are priceless. So basically, I'm pretty sure this makes my conversions kit a no-brainer. My second bonus is going to be access to Take It Pro, another software launched by Brendan Mays. This software was launched in 2020. It will allow you to steal other people's pages and you can put your own call to action on these pages. You can put an opt-in page. You can collect leads from other people's pages. How cool is that? So you can hijack other people's pages and then put your own opt-in form, call to action, button, whatever you want to do on them. I'm giving you access to the pro version so you can create unlimited pages and you can add whatever you want, an opt-in page or whatever you want to do with it. So you can play around with it and you don't have to pick up any of the upsells, just pick up the front end and this bonus is all yours. The third bonus is going to be access to my traffic courses bundle, because this is really, really important, guys. I want you to take a second and think about the most important part is traffic. You need to drive traffic. You need to learn how to drive free traffic and paid traffic. And since you are a newbie, I'm pretty sure that these gurus are telling you you can post on Facebook, you can start doing pins on Pinterest and you'll start getting traffic. And believe me, you will get some traffic, like 30 visitors per day, maybe up to 50 visitors. But if you want to master the traffic domination, if you want to dominate traffic generation, you want to go with the paid traffic source. So I'm giving you my bundle, my collection of paid courses. You're going to get Bing ads scores, Facebook ads scores, Google ads scores, YouTube ads scores, Facebook ads scores, Snapchat ads scores, and Pinterest ad course, Instagram ad scores. Basically, any platform that you can think about is included in this bundle. So I'm going to give you this as my third bonus because I know that traffic is really important. My fourth bonus is going to be exclusive access to my mega bonus vault. So I'm going to give you access to all these extra bonuses. These are Brandon's bonuses. He has gave me access to giving them to you. I'm just going to read them to you. $1,000 commission video, digital coaching program. He's selling this for $497, but you're going to get this for free. Buyerzilla Pro, again, he's selling this. This is license rights to everything, which is my first bonus. Done for you campaigns 1, done for you campaigns part 2. Again, he's selling these for $97. Like I said, my bonuses are priceless, basically. High ticket training, he's selling this for $997. Pinterest marketing software, Instagram Wizard, Facebook Ninja, My Passive Income, Cartel Pro, Goodwill Pro, Twitter Tornado, Post Viper, 60 done for you bonuses. You're gonna get this video, which is the mini chat. Brandon Mays, the multimillionaire, is gonna show you on how to leverage mini chat and start getting traffic from Facebook. How to turn your Gmail into an autoresponder, which is pretty cool. We have some more bonuses here. Some more, you can check them out once you pick it up. I'm also gonna give you access to these. I know it's overwhelming. I'm giving you all these bonuses, but I like to over deliver in my promotions. So basically, you're gonna get access to all these. Urgency Suites Pro. This will help you boost your conversions. Basically, let me show you what it is. It's related to this product, of course. You're gonna be able to create timers like this. You're going to be able to create scarcity bar and timers that looks just like this one. Let me just choose a timer. As you can see, and you can add these timers and scarcity bars to your pages. You're also going to get access to Smash My Campaigns, Boomerang Pro, license rights, Stomper Pro, Take It Pro, dozens of other bonuses, done for you campaigns. Like I said, if you go and look these up, they are like 97, 197, 297, 497, 997. You're gonna get all these as my fourth bonus. My fifth bonus is gonna be special access to all the vendors' bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom-made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of your MyConversionKit purchase. Now, let's go inside the members area or the cloud-based software. Let me show you how this works. Basically, once you log in, once you get access to here, what you want to do is go to your integrations and then go to the domain profile. You want to integrate your domain credentials, because basically the first thing you want to do is integrate your page credentials that you want to put these scarcity bars or tools in. I'm just gonna go over the tools. Once you set up your domain, I'm not sure if you're gonna get access to the pixel feature. We're gonna talk about this in the pricing and in the upsell. So once you added your domain, you want to go to create, and then you can add all sorts of stuff to your page. So let me just explain this to you in detail. I'm trying my best, but if you want an in-depth review or demo video, you can watch the demo video inside my bonus page. Again, just click the link in the description, come through to my bonus page. You can watch the demo video right there by the product creator. I'm sure he's gonna explain to you everything in detail. So once you click on domain and you input your domain, they're gonna give you a special code that you're gonna have to add to your header of your website. Once you add it, you're going to be able to edit everything inside the members area. You don't even have to log into your website. You can just add elements inside the members area of MyConversionKit. So you're going to get a tab messaging. Notify your customers by sending them continuous reminders that when they switch the tab. So if someone switched the tab, this tab is going to be vibrating and showing up some text that you're going to input right here. So you're going to choose that, and that will attract the customers or visitors. It will attract your traffic. If they click away from the tab, they're going to see that this tab is moving and there are colors, the text all over the place. So they're going to be curious and they're going to click again and stay on your website, and that will give you another chance to sell them. We have a hello bar or timer. You can add a hello bar that will say hello. We have a center timer. You can add a timer integrated inside the page. We have a back button redirection. So redirect your customers wherever you want when they click the back button. So when they click the return button or the back button, this button right here on their browser, they're going to be redirected to another page, which is really cool. I have never seen an app that does this. Mobile vibrator, this will bring back all the lost traffic, because the mobile or the traffic that comes from mobile, their phones are going to be vibrating, their phones are going to be vibrating, and they're going to be like interested in seeing your website, because they're gonna be curious why my phone is vibrating, and then they click and then they come back to the tab, and hopefully you can close them right there. We have the urgency timer, which is use this campaign to generate FOMO amongst your customers. We have image pop-up, geographic redirection. You can redirect them to a geographic location. Dynamic elements, hello bar, video pop-up, offer iframe. So hello bar, you're gonna add the hello bar to your website, welcoming them to your website. We have a video pop-up. This is a pop-up, like they are browsing through the article or the Shopify store, and then you put a pop-up inside the website. It's just gonna pop up and they're gonna be interested in watching that video that you are offering. We have an offer iframe, don't let hide your contest, show ad and content on one of the same offer. So this is basically an ad that's gonna pop up. We have the exit attempt. The exit attempt is a pop which appears when some of the customers try to move out the window. So when they try to close it, a pop-up will appear and you'll be redirecting them to another website, maybe an offer, whatever you want to promote. We have opt-in forms. I'm not sure this is included in the front end. Opt-in form hello bar, opt-in form hello bar plus timer, and we have the exit attempt. When they try to exit, they're gonna pop up. It's an opt-in form. When they try to exit, a opt-in form will pop up. Like I said, I do not have this tool integrated with my account because this is just a review access. If you want to see how this all works, just watch the demo video inside my page. Now let me just go over on how to claim your bonuses before we go to the pricing and upsells. Once you are inside your JVZoo account, once you have picked it up, you'll be redirected to JVZoo. Now once you are inside your JVZoo account, let me just go to my JVZoo account. I'm gonna wait for it to log in. So this is a brand new JVZoo account that I have just created to show you how to do this. Basically what you want to do is go to the top right hand corner where it says looking for your purchases. I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm hovering over it with my cursor right here. Just click on here where it says looking for your purchases, and then you will be redirected to your purchases, and then you want to find MyConversionKit. I don't have any purchases on this account, but basically you want to look for MyConversionKit, and then once you click on it, you're going to be redirected to a page that looks just like this. You're going to find your receipt, and once you scroll down, you're going to find bonuses by Andrew. It's going to be a blue button at the bottom left corner of the page, and then you're going to be able to claim all your bonuses free of charge and instantly. Now let's go over the pricing and the upsells. With the front end, everything I just showed you for MyConversionKit, there are two versions. We have the light version and the commercial version. For the light version, it's going to be $37. You're going to get access to 5 domains access, so you can add up to 5 domains, 13-in-1 conversions tool, and we have created different marketing campaigns to get maximum conversions for your sales landing page. These are the tools. You can read about them if you just go to the bonus page by clicking the link on the first link on the description. We have the commercial version. It's going to be unlimited domain access and commercial license included. Now, the difference is $10. I'm going to suggest you go with the $47 version, but if you don't need access to unlimited domains, you are fine with 5 domains and you don't want the commercial license, just go for the live version. The upsell number 1 is going to be MyConversionKit agency. Become our agency license holder and earn 100% margin on all the profits that you are selling. So basically these are reseller rights for $97. You can resell MyConversionKit as your own. All this is going to cost you $97 and you're going to be able to bank 100% commissions if you send traffic to MyConversionKit affiliate link. So this is a really great deal. You're going to get individual reseller license, ability to give an individual access to all the products, sales page video included, sales video and sales pages are included. The upsell number 2 is going to be the MyConversionKit Pro version for $67. Run a campaign through third-party site, developer access, VA accounts, and lead generation form, opt-in form. So like I said, you do not get access to the lead generation form in the front end. You have to pick up the upsell number 2. I would highly recommend you pick up the upsell number 2 because you can run campaigns through third-party sites. You don't have to add your website right here. You can run them on your own website. You don't need to go inside ConversionsKit. This is a really cool feature for $67. You're going to get access to developer access, VA accounts, lead generation. These are crucial. Upsell number 3 is going to be MyConversionKit Club, Masterclass Training, and Facebook group, Template Club, and mobile app. This is the tools that you're going to get access to for $97. Again, just go for the front end, go for the commercial version for $47. The upsell number 1, you don't need that if you are a newbie. The upsell number 2, definitely consider picking it up. The upsell number 3 is a no-brainer because you're going to get access to the masterclass training where they're going to teach you on how to use these tools and how to really maximize your conversions. You're going to get access to a private Facebook group, a templates club where they give you templates and designs and you don't have to go through the trial and error. And mobile app, they're going to give you a mobile app that you can use and run your campaigns using mobile. You don't have to go through your computer. Now you're going to get access to all my extra bonuses if you just pick up the front end version, whether you pick up the live version or the commercial version for $47. You're going to get access to all my bonuses. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, follow or subscribe, and hit that bell notification to see more upcoming reviews. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.